Lennox air conditioning units often trip circuit breakers during startup due to a phenomenon called inrush current. This is a surge of electricity that occurs when the compressor motor begins operating. Here's what a typical Lennox AC unit looks like. These units are common in homes and businesses, but they can cause electrical issues during startup. When the AC compressor starts, it requires a massive surge of electricity, up to 5 to 10 times more than its normal operating current. This inrush current can overwhelm the electrical system. This graph shows the inrush current spike at startup. The peak marked with an arrow represents the surge that can trip breakers. Circuit breakers are designed to protect electrical systems by tripping when current exceeds their rated capacity, typically 15 to 30 amps for residential AC units. Several factors can contribute to this problem, including electrical faults, wiring issues, and power surges. Understanding these causes helps identify solutions. The issue often relates to capacitors and electrical components. Solutions range from simple upgrades like hard start kits to professional electrical inspections. AC compressors, especially in older Lennox units, use single-phase motors that create an inductive load, demanding a lot of power initially. This motor design is typical of those found in Lennox AC compressors. Ideally, your unit should receive at least 197 volts to prevent tripping, as required by National Electrical Code standards. Voltage drops caused by weak wiring or other appliances running simultaneously exacerbate the problem. We will explain how Ohm's law affects this. According to Ohm's law, voltage equals current times resistance. When resistance is high due to weak wiring, even normal current can cause voltage drops that prevent the motor from reaching the required 197 volts. Several factors can contribute to inrush current tripping in Lennox AC units. These include faulty start or run capacitors, which provide the initial electrical boost needed for startup. Undersized breakers or wiring, such as using 10-gauge wire instead of the recommended 8-gauge, can also cause tripping by not handling the surge properly. Voltage fluctuations, where the electrical supply drops below the required level, often exacerbate the problem. Internal compressor faults, like worn bearings or other mechanical issues, can lead to excessive current draw during startup. To troubleshoot, first check the voltage at the unit, which should be nominally 240 volts for most Lennox systems. Inspect for loose connections that could interrupt the electrical flow. Use a multimeter to test capacitor resistance, which should ideally be between 5 and 50 ohms. These diagnostic steps can help narrow down the specific cause of the breaker tripping issue. Lennox has developed solutions for the inrush current problem in their newer air conditioning units. Through firmware updates that include soft start algorithms, they reduce the initial power surge that causes breaker trips. These soft start algorithms gradually ramp up the compressor's power demand instead of creating a sudden spike. This can reduce the initial power draw by up to 30%, preventing breaker trips. Check if your Lennox model, especially the Elite Series EL296V and newer units, has available firmware updates. These updates can address inrush current issues effectively. Newer Lennox thermostats, like the iComfort series, incorporate artificial intelligence to monitor electrical patterns in your AC system. These smart thermostats continuously track your system's performance, including inrush current patterns during startup. They analyze graphs like this one, showing how current spikes during compressor startup. By detecting abnormal patterns early, the system can alert you before a breaker trip occurs. This predictive maintenance feature integrates with your smartphone app, providing real-time alerts about potential issues. It can significantly reduce both downtime and repair costs by catching problems before they cause breaker trips. If you're still using an older thermostat, upgrading to a smart model like the iComfort series provides these advanced features and helps prevent costly AC breakdowns. Let's examine a real-world example from a suburban home in 2024. A homeowner with a 2018 Lennox ML296DF unit was experiencing repeated breaker trips during hot summer starts. The diagnosis revealed undersized wiring from an older installation that couldn't handle the inrush current. Now consider a commercial example from a Texas office building in 2025. A multi unit Lennox system in a 50,000 square foot facility had 30% of units tripping breakers during peak summer demand. Lennox engineers implemented a comprehensive solution using variable frequency drives and soft start kits. These case studies demonstrate that with proper diagnosis and targeted fixes, Lennox AC tripping issues can be resolved effectively. Whether upgrading wiring for residential systems or implementing advanced technologies for commercial setups, these solutions not only fix the immediate problem but often improve efficiency and reduce long-term costs. HVAC experts emphasize that preventing AC breaker trips starts with proactive measures. Upgrading to smart controls can cut repair calls by half, according to Lennox engineers. Smart technology is transforming AC maintenance. AI-driven thermostats monitor inrush patterns and alert users before failures occur, reducing trips by up to 40%. Energy efficiency mandates are driving the adoption of soft start compressors that gradually ramp up power, minimizing inrush current and eliminating most startup trips. Looking ahead, advancements like supercapacitor technology will stabilize AC startups in renewable energy setups. Experts predict a 25% decline in breaker trip complaints by 2030 as smart maintenance becomes standard. Regular professional inspections, combined with education on proper system sizing using ASCII manual J calculations, will help prevent AC breaker trips. This comprehensive approach ensures reliable cooling while minimizing electrical issues.